Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Yamaha XT250 Dual Sport. This lightweight Dual Sport just arrived with only 1,547 miles. Beautiful condition, barely used, never been down. This thing is in gorgeous shape. Come on by. Make your lightweight dual sport dreams come true with this gorgeous Yamaha XT250. It's got a nice luggage rack on the back. Only $38.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.